Hi there. Have you ever looked at a metric and wanted to view it with another dimension that is not in a dataset yet? Do you have to go to your data team and request them to add this one new field to the dataset? That can take days, and you need this report now. Well, with AQL ad hoc fields, you can do it yourself. In this video, I want to show you how you can build a report yourself with ad hoc dimensions and metrics. So let's say that you run an e-commerce store and you have a metric that's called total orders, which represents the number of total orders that your customers have made. You're curious if there is a huge difference between the number of orders that people below 30 make and the number of orders that people over 30 make. In Holistics, you can create an ad hoc dimension by going over the dataset tree view and click on a model, and you can see there will be an option to add ad hoc dimension. For this example, I will use a case when expression to segment users based on their age. And we will call this dimension user age group. As you can see here, the user age group dimension is created and it's purple. And if you hover on the information icon, you can see that it is an ad hoc dimension. So this is how you can distinguish between ad hoc fields and regular fields. Regular fields will have the blue color and ad hoc fields will have the purple color. So I will use this dimension together with the total order metric, and you can see this is the number of total orders for each of these segments. Now what if I want to create a new metric that's not in a data set yet? What if I want to look at the number of total users for each of these segments? How can I do that? In Holistics, you can also create an ad hoc metric. Just go to the table fields, or you can go to the add button in the dataset tree view and create an ad hoc metric. So for this, I will just very simply count all of the users, and I will call this metric total users. So as you can see here, we have the number of total users for each of these segments. Notice that this metric and this dimension, they are not present in a data set. They are ad hoc fields that are only saved within this report. So other people who look at this data set will not see these fields. This is very convenient because you want to avoid confusing others with fields that you just create on the spot. So this is how you can create a report yourself with ad hoc dimensions and metrics. This will save you a lot of time because you don't have to rely on the data team. Every time you have a business question, you can do it yourself. Hopefully this has been useful. Thank you.